Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make a crispy fish with chili tamarind sauce or ปลาราดพริก Alright, for the fish today, I use the red tilapia. So I already clean them, remove all the gut from the store, and also I'm going to cut them, and also I'm going to dry them with a paper towel, so remove all extra water, so it will be a lot easier when you fry them. Let me dry them with a paper towel, remove all the water. Okay. You don't need all this extra water when you deep fry. It's all good water gonna splash on you, and this will be nice and easy because they already remove all the gut and everything. Already, okay. Now I'm gonna cut them little bit. I'm gonna angle my knife like this, and then cut to one. I think I'm gonna cut about 3, 1, 2, and the fish I use like about medium sized fish, not very big or not very small, so about this big, okay. And then seasoning your fish a little bit with some salt, just so your fish can taste tasty. Okay, you can even put inside the between you cut. Okay, do this on both sides. Rub it like gentle because you don't want to broken the skin too, so gentle rub them, and then put a little bit of salt between. Okay, the cut. Alright, so now we're done with the fish. Okay, I'm gonna set the fish on the side and change my cutting board and clean my knife, and then we move on to the next step. Alright, so next we're gonna prep our vegetable, our chili. Okay, first I have like sweet pepper. I have yellow and orange. I'm gonna use this two chili to decorate on the top, so I'm gonna pep this one first. Okay, I'm gonna cut them to the strip, remove the seed. Okay, done cutting our sweet chili, so now I'm gonna put them inside the ice cold water inside the bowl. You can just use one chili, one color, but why not use 2 color? Because when you buy the sweet chili in the back in the store, they always come with 3 different colors, so for a colorful, so that's why I should use them both 2 color. Okay, so now I'm gonna soak them in the ice cold water and set this on the side, and we move on. Okay, so next I gonna be a red jalapeno. So I use red jalapeno. I use 7 of them because some of them small. If it's big, you can use just 6 of them. Or if you cannot find red jalapeno, just use the less sweet pepper from when you buy the sweet pepper inside the bag. Like I say, they just come with 3 different color. You can use that too. But for me, I'm gonna use the red jalapeno today. Okay, so first I'm gonna cut the stem and remove the seed. The same, I'm gonna remove the seed. Okay. Gonna do all 6 or 7. I keep forget because normal the recipe I use 6 of them, but today I cannot find the good side, the red jalapeno. I already have the small size, so I add on another chili, so make them even. Okay, in Thailand we not use the red jalapeno, we use red พริกแดงจินดา. I wasn't sure how the English called, but hard to find in America, so I use the red jalapeno today. Sometimes in Thailand they not even have to remove the seed because the พริกแดงจินดา is smaller and longer, but not really spicy. That's how they use. But today I'm gonna add a little bit of heat into my tamarind sauce, so I'm gonna use the 2 Thai chili. Just for add a little bit of heat into it, not really gonna be very spicy because I already add 2. Alright, so I'm gonna chop them up a little bit and put inside my blender, so it will be easy for when we blend it. Okay, next I'm gonna use the cilantro stem, and today I got lucky. I got a big stem from the cilantro. I when I saw that from the store, I grabbed it real quick, because sometimes when you buy cilantro over here, they already remove all the root and stem. They only use the leaf, but for Thai cuisine, we use a lot of stem and the root. So sometimes when I see, oh, no stem, I'm a little bit sad. But yesterday when I grabbed it and I saw it have a big stem, that's like, oh my god, that's a jackpot for me. Okay, so next I'm gonna use the 6 garlic cloves. I'm just gonna cut them a chunk, garlic cloves. Okay, and put them into the blender. Alright, now I'm going to blend this everything all together. Okay, done. Ta-da, perfect. Okay, so today I'm going to cook my fish inside the cast iron skillet. I use a little bit of extra oil for deep fry, so it'll be easy when I deep fry them. Okay, be careful, gentle when you put your fish inside here. Okay. Alright, I'm going to let them. This is gonna be medium high heat. You don't want to fry them into low heat because the fish is gonna get too dry before they cook. You want them the heat medium high heat because they will go crispy but still moist in the inside. So I'm going to fry them about 7 minutes on each side. 7 to 8 minutes on this side. But that depends how big your fish is too. You don't have to use the red tilapia. You can use different your favorite fish. You don't have to use red tilapia. Last video, long time ago, about 6 years ago, that I do this recipe. I use the sliced bass, and the recipe a little bit different. If you're interested to watch my own video, I'm gonna put the link up here. So you can go watch my own video. It looks different, even myself and the kitchen look different too. But 6 years ago, this recipe, people already like this recipe a lot. That's why I recreated. Okay, so I have about 4 or 5 more minutes when we wait for our fish frying. So we're gonna talk. We have time to talk about our ingredients today. Today the chili, garlic, and cilantro I used, I not put in the modern pasta today because I don't want to turn them to the paste. I want them to small cut and still be a chunk and small cut. So that's why we use the blender today. Or you can just chop them real fine, real small. Same I do on the other recipe. I cut everything, I chop everything, and also the tamarind sauce today. I use the already make tamarind sauce. Normal I use I do my own tamarind sauce, but at this time it's very hard to find fresh tamarind, so I just buy the already sauce making. Okay, and also the palm sugar, a big chunk palm sugar like this. I just put them inside the bag and smash them with the pestle and mortar, and to make them it easy dissolve when you're cooking. Alright, move on to the next ingredient that I'm going to put inside our sauce. Fish sauce. Fish sauce. I use the squid band. You can use whatever band that you like. And also I have water and the oil. Alright, so that's all the ingredients that I'm going to put inside the sauce. Okay, now I have just 2 more minutes for our fish, so now I'm gonna be careful with my fish. Make sure they cook. And also you have to make sure when you put the fish inside the pan, when you fry them, make sure they're hot. The pan is hot, the oil hot. If you put them when the oil not hot, the pan is not hot, the skin gonna stop, and you will lose the skin. It will not look good. Alright, so now being about 7 minutes, now I'm going to try to flip our fish. Okay, and be careful, and easier when you have 2 spatula. Okay. Look at this. They look so crispy already. Alright, not touch them because the skin. Okay, just let them fry a little bit before we can remove them a little bit. Alright, so now I cooking them about 7 minutes on each side. Hold on, now we're gonna set this on, take them out and set it on the side. Okay, put in the drain. Okay, and now we're going to make the sauce. Let me turn off the heat. Alright, now I change the pan I'm going to make the sauce, so I change the pan. Alright, so first I'm going to put the 2 tablespoons, about 2 tablespoons, the cooking oil. Alright, so now my oil start getting hot. I'm gonna add the chili, garlic, and the cilantro stem that we blended earlier. Put it all inside. Okay, still the medium heat, and soon the garlic and the chili touch the hot oil. Oh, I love how it smells and touch the cilantro stem. The oil start getting separate from all the herbs, all the chili, and then the garlic. Smells really good. I'm going to cook this until you see the chili cook, the oil really separate. You not see any more the extra water, and we can move on to the next ingredient. Right now I'm just gonna cook until this smell really good. Okay, and now the chili, garlic, and cilantro stem smell really good already and reduce all the extra water from the chili. Now I'm going to add next ingredient. I'm going to add half a cup of water. I'm gonna put inside the blender. Okay, so I can have extra chili. Okay, and now half a cup of water I pour in, and now I'm gonna put the heat high. Alright, and mixing them together. I'm gonna put them high heat right now. Look at it, all this color. Look like sweet chili sauce, right? Okay, next I'm going to add the palm sugar. Okay, palm sugar go in. Give them a mix. Medium heat still. Give them a mix until your sugar all dissolve. Right, so now all the palm sugar all dissolved. So I'm going to add the next ingredient. I'm going to add 5 tablespoons tamarind paste. For the sugar, I use the 4-ounce palm sugar. Okay, so I need all the tamarind paste in here, 5 tablespoons. Okay, now I have 5 tablespoons tamarind going. Okay, I'm gonna mix well with everything, and next I'm going to add the fish sauce. Alright, so now I'm going to add like 3 tablespoons fish sauce. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to give them a good mix. I'm going to taste them. I might need more sugar or fish sauce or tamarind paste or not. Just have to mix them and then give them a taste. Bring them to the boil again and give them the taste. Give them a taste, and then I happy whatever the favorite. So the sauce, so you cook the sauce until you see the thicker like this, and now you can turn off the heat. Okay, and then we're gonna move over there and then pour the sauce on top of the fish over there. Alright, look at this fish. Look at how nice and crispy looking. And now we're going to pour the tamarind chili sauce on top. The hot tamarind chili sauce on top. Wow. And this is an extra sauce. And we love this sauce, so okay, I'm gonna save a little bit so when I eat the other side. Alright, I'm gonna and now look at this. Okay, and now we're going to garnish them with the sweet pepper and some cilantro. Wow, just gonna put a little bit of cilantro right now because I don't want to cover all my fish. Alright, now we're ready to try this fish. Alright, so now time for me to dig it in. Okay, I'm just gonna go here. Oh, look at this. Look at how moist this fish. Oh my goodness, and all this salt. Wow. Eat with the jasmine rice or your favorite rice. Oh. Wow. I know it's so good. The Thai chili adds a little bit of heat into it, but not really spicy and sweet and sour from the tamarind paste. It makes all this fish. Yes, baby. Make it all this fish taste really good, and it's not difficult to make at all. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this recipe. I can't wait to eat it all right now, even the cameraman. Alright, if you like the video or recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. And don't forget to check the own recipe too. Please, bye. Bye bye, Say bye.